नमस्कार साथियों, आज के टीएलएम में प्रस्तुत है अपोजिट वर्ड बुक। डाउन, अप, डाउन, नियर, फार, लेफ्ट, राइट। सी हैज शॉर्ट हेयर, सी हैज लॉन्ग हेयर। शॉर्ट का लॉन्ग। ट्री इज in front of the house. Now tree is behind the house. She puts on hat. She takes off hat. Ascend, descend. Stop, walk. Close, open. This is a small house and this is big house. Fish is in the box. Fish is out of the box. Happy, sad. Tall tree, short tree. This is short tree. Full. Basket is full of fruits. Now basket is empty. Day, night. Fat. Motu is fat. Thin. Patlu is thin. Hot. Tea is hot. Cold. Ice cream is cold. Girl, boy. Right, wrong. Hello, bye. Old, young. Black, white. Now last. Switch on, switch off. Thank you.